Hey guys, this is Bots and I have been using the Mi Band 3 for around 3 months now. Just enough time to collect my thoughts on this device as a first time fitness tracker user. The reason for its success, especially in India, is not just its price but what you get at this price. It's priced at 1999 rupees. It's a pretty competitive price for a fitness tracker and you can easily say that it is one of the best at what it does at this price, and it has its reasons. Starting with the design, the Mi Band 3 looks great with a premium look and feel at a not so premium price. It has a pill-shaped design and is pretty thin width-wise in relation to a traditional watch. And one thing I noticed is that the display is a bit deep inside the module, which helps to give a natural look. And build quality is amazing for this price and you get a very premium feel. I got the black one obviously, and the black one looks pretty good. But features in my opinion are the greatest strengths of the Mi Band 3. It does all the stuff you expect an average fitness tracker to do. It tracks your steps, heart rate and even your sleep, everything a fitness tracker can and should do, and nothing is compromised. But I found this more useful not as a fitness tracker but as a companion for my phone. You can receive notifications from your phone and view them, you can see who's calling and reject your calls, and it also shows the weather for 3 days on the watch. There's also a Find My Phone feature, and the tiny little feature I found most useful is putting my phone to silent from the Mi Band 3. But then the thing that makes the Mi Band work at all is the software. You have to use the Mi Fit app with this, and the app shows all the stats, but the thing is you can control almost every aspect of the Mi Band 3. You can even customize the order of the main menu on the band, and to be honest, I expected the UI to be pretty laggy on the band, but I was pleasantly surprised by the snappiness and fastness of the UI, and the animations on the band look amazing. But probably the biggest pro of all is the battery life. But I must say it's slightly less than what Xiaomi promised. It actually lasted me around 16 days instead of the promised 20 days, but it's still a good number. But I definitely can't say that there are no flaws. There are some flaws, but there are no major ones. For example, visibility of the display in daylight, especially at noon, is close to zero, and the plastic gets scratched up pretty easily. And the pill sits pretty tightly inside the band, which makes it pretty tough to remove, and you have to take it out to charge it. And the twist to wake feature does not work all the time. Plus it has a proprietary charging port, probably for waterproofing, and the charging cable provided is annoyingly short. But the extremely competitive price kind of makes up for all these minor flaws, and I must say this is the best band for your buck. So that was my opinion on the Mi Band 3. I think it's a pretty great all-around fitness tracker at a pretty amazing price, and I think this is the best buy for any first time fitness tracker buyer. So thank you guys for watching, and until next time, peace.